At number 3 we have Room 303. This one, although fairly small and seemed more like a concept, visually was really nice. The voices were just really creepy, and although they freaked me out a little bit, I still enjoyed it. So the whole thing was set around just this room, and there was this dead guy on the floor, and you had to kind of fix the room. I assume it was kind of like a psychotic moment, and all of a sudden, oh, this guy's been killed. But the way it was constructed and pieced together was really intriguing, and if this ended up extending out, going a little bit further, I think it would do quite well. But like I said, visually it was really appealing and just put together really nicely. At number 2 we have Kiko. This is a really nice looking game, and I am a fan of 2D side scrollers with puzzles just like this. The motion is so fluid, you can tell that time and effort has been put into this game to make it look like it is. The puzzles are really great, and it has a nostalgic feel to it, which takes me back to the 90s. And because I grew up in the 90s, it really resonated with me. There isn't anything bad I can really say about this. It generally looks really nice, it played really nice. You had to use the Xbox controller, you couldn't do it with a keyboard, although I suspect you probably could end up doing it with a keyboard, but the page recommended to play with an Xbox controller. And the funny thing is, I felt that really helped. It just felt really comfortable to play with the Xbox controller. I really did enjoy this one. At number 1 we have Parasite. I know this isn't going to be everyone's cup of tea, but I'm an Englishman, I love my tea, strangely enough, and this really took me back to my early days of developing video games. I think I even said in the video that it reminded me of an engine I used way back when called OHR RPGCE, which you created DOS-based games, and this was really intriguing. I liked the fact there was more than one ending that you could actually get, and I replayed the game after the video that I uploaded, and I did indeed get a different ending. I did different things. It was intriguing. The whole premise of it was really fun because we had to figure out who was killing all these people. The style and simplistic nature of it didn't really deter from the fact that it was good storytelling. It was well designed and it had a lot of potential. So I'll leave the link to all 3 games below in the description for you to have a go if you want to, and I do have playthroughs on my channel. Feel free to check them out as well. And I will see you next month with some great indie Unity games.